Welcome to another science breakdown. Today, we're diving into the microscopic world to explore the key differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Let's get started. First up, prokaryotic cells. These are the simplest and oldest types of cells found in organisms like bacteria and archaea. Prokaryotes are small, usually just 1 to 5 micrometers in size. And guess what? They don't have a nucleus. Their DNA floats freely in the cytoplasm in an area called the nucleoid. Now let's talk about eukaryotic cells. These are found in plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Eukaryotic cells are larger and more complex, usually ranging from 10 to 100 micrometers. They have a nucleus that houses the cell's DNA. Plus, they have specialized organelles like mitochondria and the endoplasmic reticulum. Another key difference is in their ribosomes. Prokaryotic cells have 70 S ribosomes, while eukaryotic cells have 80 S ribosomes. Let's do a quick comparison. Prokaryotic cells are simple, small, and lack a nucleus. Eukaryotic cells are larger, more complex, and have a nucleus along with various organelles. Prokaryotes dominate the microbial world, while eukaryotes make up the more complex organisms, including us. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about cells, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more science content. Let me know in the comments which cell type you find most